What I have here: pumpkin, I have chopped meat, I have some lamb fat, raisins, 1 cup of brown rice. This pumpkin I basically cut and I took out the extra things that it had inside. I clean it out inside. I'm gonna mix everything together with seasoning and I'm gonna stuff it in. I'm gonna season with salt, pepper, and chopped onions. I'm gonna mix everything. About maybe 4 cups of meat here, 1 cup of rice, like a little bit of oil you can put if you don't have lamb fat. So you mix everything together. You can put raisins there as well. You can put some vegetables there as well, but I'm not gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave it as is, and I'm gonna stuff it in. I'm gonna stuff it in. Then I'm gonna put it in the pot. Cover the lid with a little bit of water underneath and let it cook overnight. It's gonna be so soft, yummy, and delicious. If you want to do it in the oven, you can do it in the oven, but I don't think the rice is gonna be ready in the oven. So it's better to cook the rice before and put it in the oven. So you also can put a little bit of water inside. That's it. Cover the lid. And look at this beauty.